Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to review the biggest self-cleaning litter box in the world by Homerun Pet. This one has so many different advantages. So it is coming with a 106 liters of dome capacity. It has an auto refill for your litter. Yes, you heard me right, auto refill for your litter. It also comes with an 18-in wide litter bed and anti-pinch bumper. Also comes with a 12 liters of waste bin. So in general, this litter box is gonna save you so many trips to scoop your toilet, so many trips to clean your litter box. And even if you are already using an automatic self-cleaning litter box for your beloved cats, well, this one is so much better, and I'm gonna tell you in this video how and why. Let's get started. So this is a Homerun Pet self-cleaning litter box, and this is the world's largest automatic litter box. It's perfect for large cats or multiple cats households. So if you are having large cats, and I think a cat should be big. If it's a cat, I want it to be fat and furry. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you have large cats, well, you're lucky. Or if you are having a few cats and multiple cats, well, this automatic litter box is perfect for you. It was designed for you. It was made for you. So this litter box ensures an ample space for cats to use the litter box. So even if you have, let's say, 10 cats, well, this litter box still gonna work for them. It's featuring a spacious 106 liter spare chamber, which is the largest 12-liter waste compartment on the market, an 8-liter litter surface with a unique heel-shaped base design, and a 4.5-liter refill compartment for automatic litter refilling. This innovation allows cat parents to store litter effortlessly, so there is less need for refilling your litter box, while the machine handles refills automatically. So it's even refilling itself automatically. Guys, how crazy is that? So this litter box has a spacious type of a design. So it comes as a large shape of a sphere chamber, and that type of a building shape of a design ensures a comfortable experience for cats. It is accommodates more litter as a result, and it makes just literally life easier for us, the cat owners. It also offering even deeper litter surface thanks to this type of a design, so it can hold a large amount of cat litter, over 8 liters. So when your cats have diarrhea or urinate, this is the time when the thick layer of the litter clumps can effectively prevent waste from sticking to the sides or the bottom of the litter box. If I'm going to compare it to the most litter box on the market, this is the bigger one. It offers more options. It's offered the refilling, which I haven't seen this ever in my entire life. And thanks to the design, it is functioning better than others on the market. And the cat's poo, this is something that the entire world dealing with, seeing every single day. Even the most innovative and the most expensive automatic cat's litter boxes, they will still have this waste on the wall. You will still experience, like some poo spots or some, diarrhea or urine spots on your walls, on the floor of the automatic litter box. Well, things are different with a Homerun Pet. Thanks to the deeper litter surface, you won't have this issue anymore, and this is what the entire industry is struggling with. And everyone who is a cat owner knows exactly what I'm talking about. It also designed with a 3 protection mats, as well as it has an added on top urine guard. It's also waterproof, it's scratch resistant, and even bite resistant. So your automatic litter box by Homerun Pet is gonna serve you for years. It has a leak-proof design, which is reducing the cleaning need and makes life for us cat owners easier, especially if you're having a multi-cat household. It comes with an extra large waste drawer, which located at the bottom of the cat litter box. You just simply, pull it out and clean it. It comes with bags, so it's very easy to clean this one. In general, it's extra easy to maintain this automatic litter box. Also, the waste drawer comes with an automatic doors, which seals everything from the inside and locking in odors. So you won't smell anything, you won't feel any type of odor from the litter box, because it is gonna be all locked at the 12 liters waste drawer. And by the way, guys, this Homerun Pet self-cleaning automatic litter box comes with a smart app, so you can always, from everywhere, monitor the situation of your litter box directly through your phone. So the app is gonna send you emptying reminders, gonna send you notifications, as well as you can track your cat's activity as they are using the toilet. It also comes with an active oxygen purifier, which keeps the air fresh at all times. It's extra easy to maintain this one. It comes with a one-click litter emptying, no more scooping for you for sure, and no more changing the waste litter. It's extra easy. It's just one click of a button and the litter is gonna be emptied into the 12 liters waste drawer. Now guys, this litter box is all about safety of your beloved pets as well. So it works on safety sensors, plus it comes with an anti-pinch bumps. So design of the safety system combining a physical anti-pinch design, which means it's microwave sensing and gravity detection, providing triple safety protection for your furry friends. In addition, I'd love to highlight some more safety features. The smart cat litter box also has a safety design with the anti-pinch door frame, as well as a weight sensors for your cats. It's also extra easy to deassemble this box and to clean it, and it's super quiet. It's as quiet as 39 decibels, so it won't disturb anyone around you, won't even hear this one. So guys, I love this litter box and I will highly recommend you to check this out. Guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think, and here is my personal opinion and my personal experience and why I chose to switch to an automatic litter box at the first place. So for this litter box by Homerun Pet, my most favorite thing about it is the litter refill. So it's automatically gonna refill your litter. I hate refilling my litter, and I am using an automatic litter box already for my cats for like many years, and I've tried so many of them. I've never ever met a litter box that will have the auto litter refill function. This is genius, this is innovative, it's a totally new design, and it's just blown my mind. So now there is no need for me to refill the litter, and this is just literally such a game changer because I need to make fewer trips to my litter box. I needed to clean it less. I need to take care less, of my litter box. And this is just amazing. It's freeing up my hands. It is saving my valuable time, and time is money. So it's saving my money as well. And in general, I'm a very lazy person. I don't want to do anything around my house. And if there is someone, a robot or a mechanism or an algorithm that can do it for me, well, yes, please, I'll take two because I don't want to mess with that stuff. So to me, this litter box by Homerun Pet, it's the best investment I've ever done in my life because it is refilling the litter. It's best for multiple cats house, as well as it's best for really large cats, but it's still a really compact size. So it doesn't like takes lots of your space, you know what I'm saying? So it's like really such a genius design and truly an amazing algorithms and a great device to use for your cats. And guys, in general, this litter box by Homerun Pet needs about once a week maintenance, and that's it. I remember myself with the traditional cat litter boxes, just scooping and scooping and scooping like 3, 4, 5 times a day. You know what I'm saying? And here, once a week. This is a mind-blowing, game-changing, life-changing type of a device to have. And by the way, guys, the app is even gonna remind you to clean your box once a week. How amazing is that? Guys, be so very sure to check Homerun Pet out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon code, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. So don't snooze because you're gonna lose. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.